My name is Daryl Brockman with Optima Batteries. I'm the Director of Product Development. Today we're talking about our Yellowtop AGM H6 battery. One of the big differences between Optima's Yellowtop AGM H6 is it's our Yellowtop technology. It is an excellent battery, not just for starting, but also for applications where the battery is more deeply discharged. That's relevant for modern vehicles because they have so much higher electrical loads. The key-off loads when the vehicle is parked are much higher, so it's more likely that the battery is going to get more deeply discharged. And that Yellowtop technology allows the battery to come back from those more deep discharges more often and give you longer life and better performance as a result. I think the most important reason for somebody to get a Yellowtop H6 AGM battery is because that Yellowtop battery is going to be able to maintain that clean, higher voltage level better than a standard lead acid battery. If you have higher electrical demands, if it's a race car where you have comms and much higher electrical needs, it's going to be able to bounce back from being discharged more deeply, more often, and give you better life.